Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to link VSCode to GitHub. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. The first step is to click here, and then click on Sign into Sync Settings, and this tab will open. Just click Continue, and then click here, and click on Yes. Now click on Extensions and look for GitHub. Click here in GitHub Pull Requests, Install. And when you install it, you will have this option here. We will click on Sign In and click Continue. Authorize. And that's it. Now, in case you have a work team, you will be able to manage everything correctly. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you.